2012 Ford Focus, one owner, previous government fleet vehicle, very well maintained, clean body, one owner, like I said, 44,000 miles, SE model. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, black cloth interior, manual adjusting seat, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel stereo controls, driver information center, automatic headlights, CD player, AM/FM stereo, heat and air conditioning, automatic transmission, side impact airbags, back seats fold down. Nice big trunk. Now you can see pictures and pricing information on our website, hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open at 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.